Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage. I have my tongue firmly in my cheek when I say I am responding to requests by my subscribers to get into drones, because I saw this one in the charity shop, so I thought I'd better buy it. Little Tikes RC Flyerz, my first drone. Ages 4+ years, adult supervision required. It's not a drone, it's a helicopter. It's got nice big rings round the propellers to try and prevent you hurting yourself. It's got fake propellers down here to make it look like you've got a little quadcopter. I've put fresh batteries in the controller and I've got it on charge, and the little light has just gone out, so that indicates it's fully charged. So we can unplug that. What does that do? That must go in there somehow. Okay. So, it cost me £1.49. I'm pretty sure I've seen one of the guys I subscribe to's bought one of these for his children. Is it Just for Fun channel? I can't remember. I'll put a link in my video description. Right, so what do? We've charged it. Take off, turn left, turn right, emergency stop, landing, power switch, charge plug, receiver. I'd have thought that was transmitter, to be honest. Battery installation, we've done that. Flying tips: if the drone crashes, switch off the remote. Yeah, okay, yeah. Emergency stop: if the drone crashes, press the stop button to stop the propellers. Turn the drone on. That's on. Okay, lights are flashing on the front. Place the drone on a flat surface and stand 3 feet away with the remote control pointing at the drone. Turn the remote on, the indicator will light up. Press takeoff to make it fly to height level 1. It will make a takeoff sound, yes. Holding the button will elevate the drone to height level 2. And then we'll go back to height level 1 after 5 seconds. Landing. Press the landing button to make the drone fly downwards as well as land. Turn left, turn right. Yeah, okay, well, let's stand back a bit. I wonder how high height level 1 is. That didn't quite work, did it? Why didn't it work? We'll put it on the floor this time and try again. I think that might be wrong. I think we might be taking this one apart. Looks to me like the bottom rotor's spinning fine, whereas the top rotor's just freewheeling, so it's probably off the gear somewhere inside. I'll just turn it on closer to the camera so we can watch that happening. You'll see the bottom rotor spins up, the top one doesn't. So we'll be doing a disassembly video. I'll do that later, not just now. Just a reminder, if you watch my charity shop gold or garbage videos, I always say don't buy helicopters or drones. People only seem to donate them to charity shops when they're broken. Still, we'll have a look. We'll do a disassembly video later on. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.